There's a lot of birds. There's just the eagle came over here, scared them all. Didn't really mess with them, just flew right by. Is that an eagle right there? I think that, no. I remember I used to live in Ocean City and feeding the seagulls was always a bad idea. You feed one of them, then the next thing you got a million of them. And looky there. It might be too hot. I just cooked that popcorn.